We all remember the biggest matches involving the biggest superstars. Those iconic moments, legendary rivalries, and unforgettable main events. But today, I'm going to talk about something different. Today, I'll be telling you about some WWE matches that featured massive legendary superstars. Yet somehow, those matches have completely vanished from our memory. And no, I'm not talking about matches from 20 years ago or even 10 years ago. I'm talking about matches that happened just 5 to 7 years ago. WWE booked many major matches during this time. Legendary superstars were involved. The matches happened. But strangely, we barely remember them today. As I go through each match, keep checking yourself. Which ones do you remember and which ones do you not? And you know this is the first video, so first video needs special intro. Match 1, Roman Reigns vs Rey Mysterio, Hell in a Cell. The first match took place randomly on an episode of SmackDown. And not just any match, it was a Hell in a Cell match. The Tribal Chief, Roman Reigns vs Rey Mysterio for the Universal Championship. Do you remember this match ever happening? We all remember Roman Reigns' legendary title reign. Epic matches at WrestleMania, SummerSlam and Crown Jewel. But this match? It happened on SmackDown, inside Hell in a Cell. This wasn't a small or meaningless match either. It was actually a really solid match. There was a short but effective rivalry, and Roman Reigns retained his championship. At the time, WWE was in the Thunderdome era during the pandemic. Honestly, I still don't know the exact reason why this match is barely remembered today. Why did WWE randomly hang the entire Hell in a Cell structure on a SmackDown episode? But at the end of the day, the conclusion is simple. Despite being a major match, it's rarely mentioned when people talk about Roman Reigns' title reign. In total, I'll be talking about 8 matches. If you remember a match, give yourself 1 point. If you don't remember it, subtract 1 point. Now, let's move on to the next match. Match 2, The Undertaker vs Rusev Casket Match. This match took place in 2018 at the greatest Royal Rumble event. The Phenom, The Undertaker vs Rusev. And this wasn't a normal match. This was a casket match. Do you seriously remember this match happening? By 2018, The Undertaker barely appeared in WWE, at most once a year. This was also the time when WWE had just started hosting shows in Saudi Arabia, and Saudi audiences wanted legends. So WWE brought major legends like The Undertaker to Saudi Arabia and sometimes booked them in very random matches. But this match wasn't actually bad. Sure, on paper, Undertaker vs Rusev doesn't sound special, but being a casket match and the way it was executed, it turned out better than expected. It wasn't a 5-star classic, but it was definitely better than people expected. In the end, The Undertaker placed Rusev inside the casket and won the match. Match 3, Goldberg vs Bobby Lashley, Crown Jewel 2021. Goldberg vs Bobby Lashley. Most people remember their SummerSlam encounter, especially the moment involving Goldberg's son. We remember Goldberg's good runs. We remember his bad runs. But somehow, his rivalry with Bobby Lashley feels completely forgotten. When you look back at Goldberg's recent WWE career, this match barely comes to mind. And that's strange because this was a big match. Goldberg is iconic. Bobby Lashley the Almighty is a powerhouse. Their clash at Crown Jewel was actually pretty solid. In fact, this was one of the matches that helped improve Crown Jewel's reputation. It proved that the show wasn't just about bad matches. Good matches could happen there too. But still, most people don't remember it. Match 4, John Cena vs Goldust. Now let's go to Monday Night Raw 2018. John Cena vs Goldust. Think about it. John Cena, who rarely appeared at the time, Goldust, who many people forgot was even in WWE in 2018. And WWE randomly booked this match on Raw. Cena wrestling on Raw. Goldust across the ring. This was big. This was iconic. This was massive. And yet, almost no one remembers it. Did you remember this match? Keep counting your points. Match 5. Brock Lesnar vs Ricochet. Super Showdown 2020. Brock Lesnar vs Ricochet for the WWE Championship. Do you remember Brock Lesnar wrestling Ricochet? We remember Brock vs Finn, Brock vs AJ Styles, Brock vs Daniel Bryan. But Brock vs Ricochet? It happened. It was an unusual booking, not because Ricochet isn't talented, he absolutely is. But he never felt like a believable opponent for Brock. Still, the match was entertaining. Brock retained the title as expected. And Brock Lesnar throwing lightweight opponents with German suplexes is always satisfying to watch. Match 6, Undertaker and Roman Reigns vs Shane and Drew McIntyre. Now we go to Extreme Rules 2019. Tag team match. This was only 6 years ago. Undertaker rarely competed outside of WrestleMania at this stage. Yet here he was in a tag team match. Some people remember it, many don't. After a rough singles match earlier that year, Undertaker chose a safer option, a tag team match. And honestly, it turned out to be a solid match. Match 7, John Cena vs Shinsuke Nakamura. SmackDown 2018. John Cena vs Shinsuke Nakamura. At one point, WWE hyped this match heavily. A Japanese megastar facing John Cena. But instead of a major stage, it happened randomly on SmackDown. The reason many people remember this match is because of a scary moment involving Cena's neck, which reportedly caused backstage backlash. Otherwise, it would have been completely forgotten. Randy Orton vs Alexa Bliss. Fastlane 2021. Randy Orton vs Alexa Bliss. Yes, an intergender match. And yes, WWE actually booked this in 2021. Randy Orton vs Cena, Orton vs Edge, Orton vs Roman. We remember all of those. But Orton vs Alexa Bliss? It happened. By the way, I know I said there were only 8 matches on this list, but while writing this script, one more match suddenly came to my mind. And honestly, this one deserves a special mention. A match that was once truly legendary, yet somehow became completely forgotten. Triple H vs Randy Orton. Monday Night Raw, 2021. Just imagine this for a second. At one point in time, this rivalry was so big that it headlined WrestleMania. Triple H and Randy Orton, two of the biggest names in WWE history. And yet, in 2021, WWE booked this match on a random episode of Raw. No major build-up, no premium live event, just Raw. And to make it even more forgettable, the match didn't even have a proper winner. Right in the middle of the match, Alexa Bliss appeared, and the bout ended without a clear conclusion. So yes, this was another major match that once felt legendary, but today barely anyone remembers it. And with that, these were all the forgotten matches. I genuinely thank you from the bottom of my heart. I'll see you in the next video with another interesting topic.